Well, Scrapman 69, I found an old battery charger for you. I'm going to tear it apart and see what's in it. You probably want to, but I'm curious, so let's just see what's in it. Yeah. Let's see what we got. You even started. I found a screw in it. It's hot today, but we're in a shade, so let's see what's in this thing. Oh, they ain't got nothing in it. Watch me tear it apart for nothing, but we'll see. Well, I guess it does get one in. Dummy me. Well, I took you apart. Why aren't you coming apart? I took your screws up. Why aren't you falling apart? Yeah. Well, they don't come apart like that. It kind of slides apart. I guess that's why. Got some cutters. Damn, I got cutter laying here. Just left it to me. I probably just cut the little cords off, but you want to save your brass end, so that's all it's at. What's in this thing? Transformer, which I think is about it. Be good if it's copper. Ought to be aluminum by my luck, but we'll see. We'll get you in a second. Let's scratch and see what we got. That's copper. That's copper on that side. And that side's copper. Well, it's hard to see it, but you just take my word for it. It's copper. And I see a few more little wires in here. Cord all wound up somewhere. It's all in that one. Yeah, there's a piece of metal sort of come out of that. I believe that's, yeah, no. There. Trash. I don't know what the hell that is. A gauge. Anything in it? Let's see what's in it. Oh, I heard pop. There it is. It's got some kind of little copper or brass contacts on the back. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we'll worry about that later. And we'll get out of it. A little bit of wire. Transformer. That's just a component. Took out an old fridge a while ago. Gotta get the top cut off. A little bit of wire out of it and a cord. Piece of copper tubing. Got it picked up off of a dishwasher. I left the dishwasher because there's so much plastic on them that just ain't worth getting and take up all your room. Or caterpillars don't like to buy them anyway, so that's about all the damage I can do. Except dust this up, and I don't think it's too hot to do that right now. So there you go, Scrap Man 69. Enjoy.